Now I need 3 hands for this one. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth's on there. Then we click like so. Turn the rotary control till we get to settings. Click settings. You've got Bluetooth. Click Bluetooth. Pair with. Go down to pair with. Click pair with. Pair your phone. I've just clicked other phones. Parrot MKi9200 is showing up there, so click on that. Then it's asking me for a pin code, which is 00000. So 4 noughts. Click OK. Pairing successful. That's it. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will. And of course everything happens. So that's it. That's how you pair a mobile. That's how you delete it.